Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates.
How to disable Autosave feature on Camtasia Studio. Open Camtasia Studio on your computer. On the home screen, click on New Project. A blank editing workspace will appear. In the top menu bar, click on Edit. From the drop-down menu, select Preferences. A Preferences window will open. Click on the Program tab at the top. Under the Autosave section, uncheck the box that says Enable Autosave. After making the changes, click OK to save the settings. This is how you can disable Autosave feature on Camtasia Studio. Thank you for watching.